Is the background noise driving you nuts? Here's how to mute everyone instantly in a Zoom meeting. Once your meeting starts, click the Participants button in the toolbar. At the bottom of the panel, click Mute All. You'll see a prompt asking if you want to allow people to unmute themselves. If not, uncheck that box and click Yes. Now all participants are muted and only you can control the sound. You can also click the triple dot more button and choose Mute Participants upon entry to mute everyone as they join automatically. Super handy for webinars, big team calls, or classroom settings. Quiet equals to focus. Mute like a pro and enjoy smoother meetings. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more cool tips like this, and comment your favorite way of muting everyone. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.